White's objective here is to kill black. Black's eye space is really small, but it is quite resilient. At first, you might just think that white can reduce black's eye space this way, and now white can succeed very easily, like this. But the problem is that black's number 4 can be here, forcing white to crawl here on the first line. But now, black will be able to capture 3, 5, and 7. And this will be at least one real eye, here, at number 3. If white connects, then of course black can push through and cut and capture all of these white stones. So this is not okay for white. So white's objective really is to guard against this variation. Otherwise, black will be able to capture 3 white stones instead of 2. And the solution is actually not too difficult to find. You might try this move. This doesn't work. This will be a bent 4 shape, a living shape for black. But this will work. If black Ataris this way, which is a very bad move, white can pull back, and now this is a fake eye, and black has nothing going on here after this push. If black cuts, then it will just be captured. And obviously this can only be a bent 3 shape, not enough to make 2 real eyes. So white can succeed this way. If black swallows number 3, white can extend here, forcing black to connect here on the outside, and now white can reduce black's eye space and kill black this way. This will be a straight 3 shape or a pyramid 4 shape, both are dead shapes. And once again, black cannot cut, white will be safe. So that is why 1 and 3 actually are enough to kill black. One thing to note here is that white cannot play here. You might think it doesn't make a difference if black blocks here. And now, white can play at number 5, and we'll be back to a successful variation for white. But the problem in this problem is that black can actually play this move, forcing white to come in. And now, all black needs to do is to push here. If white blocks, then this will be a ko, because white cannot connect here. Black can cut at number 10, and white will die this way. So that is why black can actually form a ko at number 8. If it wins, it will make 2 real eyes this way. If number 7 relents, then the result is actually the same. It's just that now black needs to throw in here first, and play this throw in again to start this ko. Even though white captures first, if black captures back and wins the ko, it can still build 2 eyes this way. So black is actually quite resilient if it gets to play here at number 4. So that is why white should not play here at number 3 and should play at this very key point instead. Overall, black's eye space is really small and there are not many choices, but white really needs to be careful not to allow black to capture 3 of its stones here on the first line and to prevent a ko here on the corner. I hope you were able to calculate all those variations on your own. If not, then make sure you understand what they are all about. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.